G'day Matt, Baxter, Charles Stewart reporting on our monthly store sale here at Mortlake. 4,200 cattle yarded, feeder steers. We're a cheaper trend once again. A lot of steers made between $4.40 and $4.60. Some really good runs of Whan steer calves. They've made a lot of calves between $1,600 and $1,800.
Fresh blood with meat, 432, 432 fresh blood, wait 432, 432, bed, 4, 6, maybe 36, 8, 40, 442, 442, 4, 444, 444, $4.44, 6.
Then went on to Whan heifers. A lot of those heifers made $14.50 to $16.50. We buy a lot of good heifers for around $1,600 mark, black heifers.
High 75.80, take it 582's here, 582, 582, and 582 all done, 4, 584, 584, 6, 586, 586 all done, 586, 586.
All in all, yeah, cheaper market here today at Mortlake. Following trend, I guess, for everywhere else, but next sale is the 5th of January, where there's between 6,500 and 7,500 calves expected. There's some really good runs of calves there, so hopefully see you there. Cheers.
Are you partnered with an RMA Network independent livestock and property agent?